Hello there, Internet people. This is Patrick. I'm the VP of Growth at Replit. I'm neither an engineer nor am I an artist, but I'm going to show you how to make an NFT in just a couple minutes. So please follow along. I'm not going to explain anything and I'm going to move pretty fast. But if you do this, you will have an NFT on the blockchain. So let's dive right in. All right, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and create a new REPL, a new Solidity REPL. And Solidity is the programming language for Ethereum and for Web3. And I'm going to say silly NFT project. Go ahead and create the REPL here. Now that this is loaded, we've got a great little README explaining what's going on. I'm going to go ahead and click Run. It'll compile the contract and it'll start a simple JavaScript application where I'll have a little bit of UI that I can interact with. And it's going to load pretty fast, as you see. And here is the Replit and Ethereum template. So if I go ahead and connect my wallet, and I just set up a dummy wallet on Metabase or MetaMask, there's no real money in here. And I'll go ahead and connect it. All right. So the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to switch to the Replit testnet. I have already done that, but you'll see a button here to click to switch to the Replit testnet. Make sure you're doing that so you're not doing this for real Ethereum or for real money. You can get free Replit ETH, like fake money here to play around. If you just click this button, you can see I've clicked it a couple times before. It'll keep adding to your balance, and this will show up on your wallet. And while that is going, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to open up the contract here. We've got some sample contracts to understand. There's a tutorial that explains how it works. I'm going to paste a link to that in the video description as well, so anybody can follow along if they'd like. But here's the NFT sample contracts. There's some cool information like on the NFT standard. You can go check it out. But I'm just going to copy and paste this. All right, let's do copy. And let's come in here and okay. So I pasted this in. Let's say I want to rename this, and I might say like silly NFT, and I might say like symbol is silly. All right, so that's in there. If I do Control S, it's going to save it. It'll recompile. And now I'll see the options to deploy. You can see the imported packages. And here's my simple NFT. Terrific. Let's deploy it. This will require gas. So if this was being done on the real Ethereum chain, this would require Ethereum. But this is a testnet. So this is not real money, and you can keep getting fake ETH as long as you like. So as this deploys, this will deploy this immutable contract for simple NFT to the chain. And we have re-implemented these two functions, the constructor, as well as the minting function here. And now if I go to the NFT, you can see all of the available methods. Most of these have been imported. But the mint is the one that I wrote. Mint is how you create an NFT. So I'll just need an address and a URL of the image that I want to assign to this owner. So let's go ahead and I'm going to start by pulling my address. So I'll just click on my MetaMask. I'm going to copy this. Once again, there's no real money here. I will now go over to art.repl.co. You can pick a cool piece of art that you like. And let's copy this image. Once again, I'm not an artist. I'm not an engineer. Joe created this beautiful stuff. Tyler, Alex, and Soren are the engineers behind this little piece of magic here. And I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to mint a new NFT. So as this kind of quickly loads, I'll approve the gas fee. And lo and behold, it worked. So now if I want to see which or how many NFTs I own, I can run the balance of function, and I can see here that I own one NFT. And if I want to see the owner of, let's say 0, boom, that's my address. So I now have that NFT in my wallet, and we just deployed something to the test blockchain. If you were doing this on Ethereum, this would be the real deal, and this would show up in your wallet and wherever you have your NFT stored. It's really that easy. This does not give you engineering talent or artistic talent, but if you follow this along, you have deployed your first NFT, and your kind of first steps into Web3 are complete. With that, I'll sign off. Happy coding and have fun.